Hey everybody, there's a really interesting legal theory circulating about why the indictment of James Comey may be invalid. That would be a huge setback for Trump's revenge agenda. Let me explain. I'm Liz Oyer, the former pardon attorney for the Department of Justice. Trump has been trying to indict James Comey since his first presidency, but no legitimate prosecutor would actually do it. Last week, Trump finally found someone who would. That person is Lindsay Halligan, an insurance lawyer with no experience as a prosecutor. Pam Bondi appointed Lindsay Halligan as the chief prosecutor in Eastern Virginia after her predecessor, a guy named Eric Siebert, refused to indict James Comey. Siebert was forced out, and Halligan was named the interim U.S. attorney. Here's where this gets a little complicated, so please bear with me. The law allows the Attorney General to appoint an interim U.S. attorney for up to 120 days. After that, the court gets to decide who serves as U.S. attorney until the position is filled on a permanent basis by a candidate approved by the Senate. That's where the problem arises. Pam Bondi had already appointed an interim U.S. attorney in Eastern Virginia. That person was Halligan's predecessor, Eric Siebert. And the law does not say that the Attorney General can appoint a second interim U.S. attorney. In fact, there is actually an internal Justice Department memo that says that the AG cannot lawfully appoint a second interim U.S. attorney. And guess who wrote that memo? Samuel Alito. Yes, that's Samuel Alito from the Supreme Court. All of this strongly suggests that Lindsay Halligan was not lawfully appointed to serve as U.S. attorney. And that is a problem because she is the only person who signed the indictment of James Comey. If her appointment is invalid, then so is the indictment. And it gets worse. The statute of limitations to bring charges against Comey expired on September 30th. That means if this indictment is thrown out, it cannot be fixed. Comey's lawyers will certainly raise this argument, and if the judge agrees, he could throw out the case before it even gets to a jury. Zooming out, this also has broader implications for Trump's political agenda. All around the country, he has been manipulating the law to appoint unqualified U.S. attorneys who are blindly loyal to him. I've done a couple of posts on this before. Check them out if you haven't already. He needs these sham prosecutors to carry out his revenge agenda. But it's not clear that this strategy will hold up in court. I'll keep you posted.